Good evening guys. Haggard ko. Pasensya na. Kanang it's 11:45 in the evening diri So nagwait ako na maging 12 o'clock in the morning. Kay surprise na ko si Matt. It's his birthday and I asked favor to his dad this morning to buy a cake. So he doesn't know na may na akong gituguan na cake. He's sleeping in the bed now. So di ako sa gawas karon. Mauna akong naong char. Tabangi ko ninyong kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Look. Oh. Make a wish. Come on. No. Come on, birthday boy. Woo! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Come on, kiss me. Oh, we didn't expect this.
No.
Look, show your birthday boy. Come on, show your birthday boy. Ooh. Good morning, guys. Kamumata lang na ako. Ayaw na igmay na akong face kay always man haggard. So, success gyapon ang akong pa-surprise effect gabi. Na ako kabalik og video kay nakatulog na ko. Gikapoy ang kuan, guwapa. So, mauna to siya guys. Thank you.